Good morning to all. Myself is Rani, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce from Sakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Vatanjataram. Now to see about income from salary. First to know about salary. Any remuneration received by an employee in consideration of their services rendered to his employer is called a salary, and also it includes monetary value of those benefits and facilities provided by the employer which are taxable under the head salary. And also salary is a form of periodic payment from an employer to an employee which may be specified in employment contract, and also it is a fixed amount of money or compensation paid to an employee by an employer in return for their work performance, and also it is commonly paid in fixed intervals, for example monthly payment or weekly payment of 1/12 of annual salary, and also provide certain allowances, perquisites, and also have a certain benefits are included under this type of salaries. And also salary is taken on due basis only. Next to know about definition. The term salary is defined under section 17 subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act included the following items as a salary. Wages, that means daily basis salary is called a wages, or any annuity or pension. Pension is nothing but the periodical payment received by an employee subsequent to their retirement, and also it is paid monthly basis or commuted value basis, that means periodical basis given in by the employer. And also any gratuity, this gratuity is also included under the salary. Gratuity means a payment to an employee in respect of their services rendered to an employer, and also it have any fees, commission, perquisites, or profit in lieu of salary, and also in addition salary, that means overtime benefits, and any payment received by an employee in respect of any period of leave not availed by him, that means leave enhancement salary. These all items are comes under the head salary income. Next to know to show about how to compute this salary income. To see about salary, that means 17 subsection 1 of the act included what are the items comes under this salary head. And also next to know about allowances. These allowances meaning is given under section 17 subsection 3 and also subdivision of 2 of the Income Tax Act. And also next to add perquisites. These perquisites meaning is given in 17 subsection 2 of the Income Tax Act, and also add a profit in lieu of salary under section 17 subsection 3 of the Act. These are the 4 items are added to the salary. After to adding this total to less their certain amounts, that is standard deduction and also entertainment allowances and also tax on employment. These deductions comes under section 16 of the Income Tax Act. Standard deduction maximum value is 15,000 is deducted from the standard deduction amount, and also entertainment allowances. These entertainment allowances is only provided to the government employee. Last one, tax on employment, that means professional tax. That professional tax is paid by the employee. On that basis, that tax amount will be deducted from the salary income. After we get the total, that total income is considered as a income under the head salary. Next to know about allowances. Allowances is meaning Fixed monetary payment for a specific purpose is known as a allowances. That means the employer provides to an employee for a fixed sum of money to meet their certain expenses which is owing to their performance in a particular circumstance. That means in a particular place. It may be paid voluntarily or any contractual obligations. There are certain types of allowances, that means fully taxable allowances, fully exempted allowances, and also partially taxable allowances. Fully exempted allowances have a certain allowances, that is foreign allowances by the government employee. What are the allowances received by the government employee? This comes under to the fully exempted allowances category. Next to see about fully taxable allowances. These fully taxable allowances have such on allowances, that means dearness allowance, city compensatory allowance, lunch allowance, marriage allowance, deputation allowance or wardenship allowance, overtime allowance, medical allowance. These are the allowances or come under this fully taxable allowances. Next to see about partially taxable allowances. This partially taxable allowances have a house rent allowance, that means HRA, entertainment allowance received by the government employee, helper allowance, uniform allowance, and also conveyance allowance, border area allowance, tribal area allowance, children's education allowance, hostel expenditure allowance. These are the allowances or comes under this partially taxable allowances. Next to see about perquisites. Perquisites is nothing but any casual emoluments or free or profit attached to an office or in a position. In additional the salary or wages, it is called a perquisites. Simply say that the non-monetary benefits provided by an employer to an employee comes under this perquisites. The perquisites have three categories. First one, perquisites exempted for employees, and also perquisites taxable for employee. Last one, perquisites taxable only for a specified employee. What are the items comes under exempted perks? That means free medical facilities by the government employees, and also free refreshment during their working hours, provisional for telephone, whether basic or cellular phone, and also free lunch, free education to their children, value of gift in kind of rupees 5,000, and also perquisites allowed by the government employee posted in abroad, and also employer contribution to staff group insurance scheme, accident insurance scheme premium. These are the items or comes under the exempted perks, that means exempted perquisites. Next to see about perks taxable for all employee. What are the items comes under this category? On that basis, value of furnished house, that means rent free accommodation, obligations made by employer, and also gas facilities, water facilities, electricity bill facilities, domestic servant facilities, income tax or professional tax paid by the employee. These are all the items come under the taxable perks category. And also next to see about perks taxable in the hands of specified employee only. That means the specified employee is nothing but a person who is in a director of a company, and also who has a substantial interest in a company, and also whose monetary benefits exceed rupees 50,000. This particular type of employee is called a specified employee. So on that basis, that specified employee gets certain benefits from her employer. After that, we getting that facilities is taxable in the hands of specified employee only. What are the benefits available this specified employee? That means free educational facilities, free servant facilities, car facilities provided by the employer, and also transport facilities provided by the employer, leave travel concession. These are the items or comes under this taxable value of perquisites. Next to see about profit in lieu of salary. The term in lieu means in additional to where the employer pays an amount to an employee which is not considered as a allowances, perquisites or terminal benefits, that it will be treated as a profit in lieu of salary, and also this amount will also comes under this salary income. Example, joining bonus, retention bonus, referral bonus. These are the items or comes under the profit in lieu of salary. Thank you.